Hi, I'm Jono. Welcome to a Lunatone application video. In this video, we'll go through the key differences between DT6 and DT8 lighting control. In DALI, device types, or DTs, define the class of an operating device. It indicates which respective control features the DALI dimmer supports. Device type 6 is designed for LED brightness control. Device type 8 is designed for DALI color control. DT8 covers different types of color control. Tunable white or TC mode adjusts color temperature on tunable white luminaires between warm white and cold white. RGBW or RGB modes adjust red, green, blue and white values on RGB or RGBW luminaires. Also, amber and free color luminaires, otherwise known as RGBW AF. With DT6 dimmers, each channel of a multi-channel dimmer has its own DALI address. This allows control of each channel's brightness. When multiple channels are connected to different color LEDs, changing the brightness of one channel will change the total output color. Maximum output current of a dimmer is typically stated per channel. With DT8 dimmers, one DALI address is assigned for all channels. All channels are controlled together in brightness and color. Maximum output current of the dimmer is typically stated as the sum over all channels. Important: the DALI control device used needs to support sending DALI DT8 color commands. All Lunatone control devices support DT8 commands. DT6 devices are intended for brightness control of multiple channels. However, if a DT6 dimmer is used with color LEDs, changing the brightness of a channel will also result in a change of overall color from the LED. Creating accurate color output thus requires manual mixing of brightness levels across all channels, or a preset scene with all channels already set to their appropriate brightness values to achieve the desired color. In comparison to DT6 drivers, DT8 drivers are able to create the correct color output without having to change the brightness output of individual channels. In Lunatone Cockpit, you can choose the desired color output from the slider, or input the desired color value directly. However, most importantly, you can gradually shift the output color using a single input device without needing preset scenes. Lunatone dimmers offer additional operating modes to allow color control with DT6 commands. These other modes are Balance and Dim, Color and Dim, and Dim to Warm. The Balance and Dim operating mode uses two DALI addresses. Address 1 controls the overall light level. Address 2 controls the distribution of output across all channels. Adjusts color temperature independently. Uses address 2 to change the color temperature without affecting the brightness. Uses standard DT6 DALI commands. Use DALI commands like dim up or down and direct arc power for each channel. Ensures compatibility. This mode works with all common control systems and gateways, and is an alternative to the DT8 TC mode. The Balance and Dim mode serves as a flexible alternative to the DT8 TC mode, especially in applications needing separate control of brightness and color temperature without DT8 commands. The Color and Dim mode uses two DALI addresses. Address 1 controls the overall light level, and Address 2 controls the color distribution across the output channels used for RGB color adjustments. Adjusts color brightness independently. It changes the color without affecting the brightness, and adjusts the brightness without altering the color. Uses standard DT6 DALI commands. Uses DALI commands like dim up or down, and direct arc power for each channel. Ensures broad compatibility. This mode works with all common control systems and gateways. Color and Dim serves as a flexible alternative to the DT8 RGBW AF mode, offering separate control of brightness and color for RGB luminaires. The Dim to Warm mode uses a single address or input control. Both output channels are controlled together using one DALI address, and automatic color temperature dimming. The color temperature adjusts automatically based on the DALI dim level. Lower dim levels means warmer light, and higher dim levels means cooler light. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, check out our YouTube channel or visit our website.